Hey everybody, it's Mickey back again with another tech tip, if you will. I don't know if this is really a tip, but this is more of an investigation into what the heck this screen I'm looking at right now and you're looking at. Anyway, this is a Lenovo T450. Um, every now and then, like once every 4 or 5 months, this screen pops up when I log in. This is once the Windows 10 boots up, I type in my username, and then it goes to this screen. And I've had this problem about 3, 4 years now. I don't really know what the genesis of it is. I think based on some readings on the interwebs that it's something to do with a Windows update, but and it triggers like if you have a big Windows update and you go to log in the next time, it for some reason goes to this screen, although I'm not 100% sure. But as you can see, um, again, you just start up your computer as normal, enter in your username if you do all that stuff and password. And then it usually just goes right to your Windows 10 screen. But in this case, it goes to this screen. And you can see it just says Welcome Basics Network Account Services, and then it has an option Skip for now, Select. Um, so this is actually, obviously, I just took a picture of this with my phone when it happened a while ago, the last time it happened, because you can't record anything. You're pretty much stuck with these options, and there's really nothing to do. You can hit Skip for now, which is what I usually do, but I think the last time or one time it happened, it had like some different options and it said log in with your Microsoft network, which was kind of strange. And I couldn't even, I mean, literally, I turned it off, rebooted, and the same screen would come back on. Turn it off, rebooted, same screen would come back on. So you really needed to click on a prompt to get by this and get back to your home screen. But in this case, I think I hit just skip for now, which is probably what I would recommend you doing. Here's some more pictures. I did some searching, so these are not mine, but this is somebody else's. Same kind of look to it. It's just in the upper left-hand corner. So there's another one. Here's another. I think I've seen this one as well. Privacy. So I mean, if you hit next, it goes into again, this is somebody else's. I think I've seen this one too, and it just leads you down a rabbit hole. And if you have to enter in something, like in my case, I had to enter my Microsoft account name, and I didn't know the password, so I had to um, go to my start and log in on a different username and try to get it done that way, and then go back to this screen, type it in. Luckily it worked, but it screwed up all my Windows settings. Um, but yeah, the one thing I think I saw that maybe could solve this issue is so like I said, I think this might happen after an update. Um, it's almost like okay, it's a new Windows system. Let's get you started. Here's how Windows should work. This is the start screen. But you've already had it installed, but there's a glitch somewhere which thinks, okay, this is your first time setting up Windows. But what you can do is go into your search folder, type in notifications actions. So we'll go there. Anyway, so here's notification actions, quick setting notifications, get notifications, and down here, see the show me the Windows welcome experience after updates. So I would unclick that, and then lose use those as well, and that may or may not get rid of that screen. I haven't seen it since I've done this, but the sample size really hasn't been very long. So, but again, I looked around the internet. I couldn't even find what they call the screen. I guess it's almost like a welcome screen, but as you can see, it's just an oldish graphical user interface. And everything's confined to this area. So if you click something, it expands in this frame, if you will. It's a very small, I think. So yeah, you can see here, everything is confined. And you can scroll around this box, but there's just not much you can really do. And like I said, I tried rebooting and just nothing seemed to work except, you know, following along the prompts. So if anytime you can hit skip or cancel, that's probably the way to go. And next, I mean, if you next you're 50-50, what's going to happen? It might ask you for, in my case, it asked you for my Microsoft account. Luckily, I had one. If I didn't, I don't even know how that works. But anyway, so that's the video for today. I hope some of you can find this useful because it's quite annoying and quite frustrating when you see this pop up. But you're not the only one. It's happened to many people before, and I think this also happens on Windows 11 as well. So be on the lookout for that. But thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you can. Thank you very much.